Really bad. Okay. What was the last thing he said? Don't do it. Don't do it. Jack, it's okay. Jack, come here. It's okay. It's okay.
He said,
I can't remember. Maggie, you're a loner.
they won't shut their damn mouth.
He said damn.
Cody said, damn.
Ew, you have a mole right there.
Oh, no.
Ew.
Okay, not gonna text him back? I'll text
Yeah,
him back.
no.
Okay.
You're hurt. Look, you killed Maggie.
Good.
Maggie, wake up! Maggie, wake up! God. I hope that's my mom. Connor. Hello? Hey. Oh, I'm just laying on the ground.
Stop talking about baseball!
Shut up, Hannah. What? Neither of us can.
Neither of us can what?
He's talking right now.
Neither of
Wait,
us
what?
can
Wait, say that again. Oh.